It's the 7 a.m. hour of Fox and Friends weekend. We begin with this urgent alert out of Texas. Rescue teams are desperately searching for survivors through destruction and debris in central Texas after catastrophic flash floods swept through the area over the holiday weekend.
Yeah, at least 27 young girls from a Christian summer camp located in Hunt, Texas. Well, they're still missing this morning. The Guadalupe River that runs through the camp surging to a high of 29 feet, the second highest level on record. Heartbreaking images show camp cabins reduced to ruins. Authorities have pledged to keep searching until every single person is found.
At this hour, 51 people are confirmed dead. Nearly 850 have already been rescued. Texas Governor Greg Abbott declaring a day of prayer today for the state.
All we know is that prayer does work. Your prayers have made a difference. We ask for continued prayers as we continue our efforts to locate everybody who's been affected by this.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.